Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Now let us discuss about rectangular array in AutoCAD. One method is to use ARRAYCLASSIC. Those who have used earlier versions of AutoCAD will be familiar with this. Let us use 1 row and 20 columns. If you know the column offset, enter it, or else, use the Pick Column Offset button to set the offset using the mouse. Click on Preview to check whether the offset distance and other parameters are right. If you want to change anything, press Escape, else, right-click to accept. Let us use the rectangular array present in the later versions. As you can see, it creates an array with default rows and columns. Draw the vertical arrow down to make it a single row. Drag the right arrow to change the number of columns. As you can see from the upper panel, 16 circles have been created. We need 4 circles more. Now we need to adjust the column offset, that is, the distance between the circle centers. Similarly, we will see creation of multiple rows using arrays. Drag up to increase rows, and right to increase columns. Instead of using arrows, we can easily adjust the rows and columns by entering their number in the upper panel. The number of rows and columns can be changed easily by typing their values. Once you are satisfied, press Close Array button to accept. Thank you for watching.